Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss header length field of IPv4 header. As name implies, it tells me the actual length of the IPv4 header. So question is why we required this field, header length field. Header length field is required because the IPv4 packet size will vary between 20 bytes to 60 bytes, right? We have discussed this thing in the previous video. 20 bytes to 60 bytes. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value, right? Why minimum 20 bytes is of minimum value? Because up to the destination address, these all fields are mandatory for IPv4 header, right? And another requirement of IP header length is because receiving end need to know how big and what is the size of your header in datagram. Datagram is nothing, which in datagram is header plus your payload, which we have discussed already, right? So receiving end need to know what is the actual size of your header and what is the actual size of your data. Let's have a look of IPv4 header in Wireshark again. So this is my IPv4 header and this is my this is my header length field, right? It shows me 4 bytes, which shows me header length field is having 4 byte in size or have 4 bytes size, right? So but the actual length was 20 bytes, right? So here is the confusion. Here the value is 0101, which is 5, but the header length is 20 bytes. Why is this? Why it's so? Because look, if I said header length is 4 byte long, right? Sorry, 4 bits long, right? So these are the 4 bits, correct? And how many combinations, binary combination you will get in 4 bits? From 0000 to 1111, which is 15 in decimal, and this is 0 in decimal. So in actual you will get only 16 combination, right? But my minimum requirement is 20, correct? To solve this problem, right, what we have done is, whatever value you have, suppose you have, what value you have in IP header is 0101, correct? 0101 is a decimal value of, or binary value of 5, right? Multiply by 4, what you will get? 20. So what this solution is called? Scaling factor. What we have done in is, what we have done in scaling factor, why we are multiplying from 4? Because the maximum length of IPv4 header is 60, right? And maximum combination maximum number which we get in the binary form is 15, right? So 60 divided by 15, 4. So what we have done, we have multiplied whatever value we get in 4 bits into 4, right? Suppose if my header length is 40, right? So what binary value I will get? 1010, right? Multiply by 4, sorry, 1010, right? 1010, this is the binary value of 10 into 4, then my header length is going to be 40, correct? So this is how we will calculate the header length in IPv4 header format. Another thing is, you are going to say that what about 0 3 2 1, right? Because my minimum header length is 20, so these starting 5 values are up to 4 is invalid values. We will never find them in the IPv4 header as a header length, right? So friend, this is all about header length. In next video we are going to discuss about type of service. So meanwhile, if you get something from this video, or if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. This is the only thing which motivate me to make this more and more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.